Hey guys, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our customizable third brake light decal for the Polaris Slingshot. Tufskinz has done it again, this time with their third brake light decal kit for the Polaris Slingshot. This decal kit is available in over a dozen Slingshot paint colors and allows you to add up to 9 custom text characters to set your bike apart from the pack. This decal kit consists of a color-matched Tufskinz material of your choice on the top side, along with a red translucent tape layer on the back side that allows your custom text characters to illuminate when the brake pedal is pressed. The material is then coated with a clear epoxy UV resin, leaving a nice smooth finish over your text characters so that it's easy to clean and is protected from the elements. One of the best things about this mod is that it's extremely easy to install. Since the Tufskinz translucent tape and UV coating are all consolidated into one layer, you'll simply clean the surface area, remove the backing film, align the decal, and then press down firmly to adhere into place. Now, if a color-matched custom third brake light decal is on your mod list, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date with everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.